Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IRS Form 8879 step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the IRS website. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once on the IRS homepage, locate the search bar. Type Form 8879 into the search bar. Click on the search icon or press enter. From the search results, find the link that directs you to Form 8879. Click on that link to access the form details. Look for the option to log in or access the online form. If prompted, enter your user ID and password in the appropriate fields. If you do not have an account, look for the registration link and complete the process. After logging in, find the specific section for submitting Form 8879. Click on the link to access the form. Review the instructions provided for filling out the form. Fill in the necessary information as requested. Make sure to double-check all entries for accuracy. Once completed, click the Submit button to finalize your submission. You should receive a confirmation message once your form is submitted successfully. If you encounter any issues, refer back to the IRS website for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.